Hold on.
I got in a car accident, man. I got a fractured nigga and everything, man. Y'all gonna lock me up, man?
This body cam footage shows officers responding to a tense workplace dispute involving an ex-people. What began as an argument quickly escalated, prompting a 911 call for immediate police assistance.
I don't know. He got here, and as soon as he got here, he walked straight up to her, dropped his bag down, reared back like he was about to fucking knock the shit out of her. Melanie jumped up. Sorry. Melanie jumped up, got in between them.
Good morning.
And this whole time, he's just been acting like...
So what's that?
It made me freaking scared for my damn safety. He's crazy as fuck.
He walked up and acted like he was gonna like lay me out. The cops persuaded him to leave last night. He told me he was coming back home today. God, kids, he can't come to my house. He can't. He's dangerous. He's been up all night doing meth.
All right, so the cops came last night. He left.
He left. I went to bed. They told him not to contact me. He started calling and hanging up. Calling and hanging up. He's been up all night. Like, I'm scared he's gonna hit me in front of my kids.
Yeah.
I can't have this go on. I can't even come out of the office and work.
So I'm saying, how long has he been living down there with y'all?
I mean, like a couple months.
Couple months.
But like, he's not on the lease, and I've never seen this side of him before.
Yeah.
I mean, he's on drugs, obviously, but he gotta go. Because I can't be having that in my house. I don't do drugs.
The way you're gonna have to do that, honestly, because he's established resident, you still have to evict him, even though he's not on the lease. So what you have to do is, I mean, if you fearful like that, you need to go up there to the courthouse and take out a TPO.
The courthouse is closed today.
Let's see.
He says he's coming home tonight. I mean,
let
got
me
an infant
see.
and 2 older kids. Something's got to be done today.
Yeah, we got to try to figure out something. Give me a second. What's going on this morning? What's going on this morning?
Hold on, anyway, me and Heather trying to talk to Heather about going back to the house. The police told me last night to go back to the house, and she seen talking about all this crazy shit about I need to leave and all this shit. I need to fuck around. So she told me, hey, look, if you want to stay a couple hours at work, and one of my other managers get here, I'll take you home. Heather's talking about I can't go back to the house, TPO and all this other fuck shit. That's bullshit. So then she said separate. So we separated. We talked about it. We cool now. She's gonna give me a ride home. She said you wanna go out and sleep in the car. I said that's fine. So that's what we agreed on. But Heather in there, she on that bullshit again. I ain't trying to have that shit. But that's all that's about. Talk to the manager about it. But she won't let me go back home or nothing else. And I talked to the officers last night. I said I ain't had to fucking leave. I'm allowed to go home. Can't lock me up in my own goddamn house. We both work here, so either we gotta get the fuck along, or one of us gotta go home. I need the key so I can go home. That's all I'm trying to fucking do. And she trying to avoid me, talking about, oh, he trying to hurt me and all this fuck shit. No. Please stop talking to me, man. I came here pissed off. I need my goddamn key to get home. But she tripping on me. I've been mad fucking wrong with this shit. But I talked to Officer Nick and everybody last night, and David and everybody came out to the house and said, he said, look, he ain't got to leave if he don't want to. Just come in here having a disagreement. And I went to her dad's last night. Well, I couldn't sleep at her damn dad's house, and he just dropped me off here because she got the damn door and everything locked. And she's like, you can't come back and have none of this fucking shit. And I'm like, man, I gotta go home and goddamn sleep. I can't be here like this all fucking day. So, this is where we are now. Now, y'all just pulled up. She just agreed to let me go sleep in the car until a couple more managers get here so she can take me on home. But that crazy ass, ooh.
All right, let me go get the other side of it. Find out what's going on up here.
So what happened last night? What happened last night?
I got home like 8-something last night. She's in a custody battle with 2 twins and shit.
Okay.
So, basically, ever since this wreck, okay, I talked to the officer about it. They said that there was something off about the wreck. So, you know, Heather up here said that she swerved Mr. Deer. Well, she intentionally drove me into a tree. And I got the police last night because she's all being all crazy and shit. And I said, what the hell am I supposed to do? And he told her, he's like, look, well, he ain't got to go nowhere. You know what I'm saying? This is his house legally. It's on paper. It's his house. He ain't got to leave.
Yeah.
And she got her boyfriend and everything over there. And she ended up wrecking her van, totaled it. So he be giving the rides. He come over there and he's like, I got another van, but I ain't gonna let you have it because, you know, they got kitty gun and shit. So he's like, well, if I'm living here, I'll let you keep my car. Shit. So they're like, oh, I can't live here if it's that here. What the hell am I supposed to goddamn do? I can't just walk off and go fucking anywhere I goddamn want to go and sleep for every fucking night. So this morning, I said, let me go home and go to sleep, right? Their doors locked and everything. She's like, I'm gonna get TPO on you, all this shit. Last night, where the fuck is all this shit coming from now? I ain't never touched that bitch, do I want to? Oh man, she made me so goddamn mad, man. Ooh.
So she moved her boyfriend into y'all's place?
Nah, she trying to right now. Don't mean what I was talking about. I'm telling that girl, I said, you crazy.
Okay.
Ain't no fucking way. But she's like, should we get Zach out, basically? I'm like, bitch, man, you been together 6 months, right? I got that fraction nigga in there. That bitch gonna try to tell me all that crazy shit. Man, I got time for that. Take me home and let me fucking sleep. Don't lock the door. I said, I'm gonna call the goddamn police on your ass. Then all of a sudden, that bitch wanna go tripping off at the mouth again, talking all the bullshit. My boss separated us and brought me back in. She trying to like, just cool down, leave that crazy ass girl alone. I'm like, I just wanna fucking go home. She's like, I'll take you home. Don't worry about it. Just relax for a couple hours. How the fuck am I gonna sit up here and fucking relax for a couple hours listening to her bitch ass talk bullshit to get me upset? So then I go put my goddamn hands on. I ain't playing with this girl. She pisses me off, man. So fucking bad, man. I just wanna.
So what happened? What happened in here today?
Oh, I don't know. She just being a bitch. She thought I was gonna beat her up or something. And Miss Melanie separated her.
Okay.
I said, I want to go out there and keep the fucking house. She said, man, you ain't gotta be such a goddamn bitch to me.
And that was.
She's like, I'm recording it. I don't give a fuck.
That was one of the managers you were talking with back there.
Okay. She's like my mama.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? And she'll tell you 100%. Say, I'm not like this. I just want to fucking sleep, man. It's been 3 fucking days, man. I'm sitting here and all this goddamn pain, man. This bitch want to tell me, oh, I can't go home and sleep. Fucking police last night, County County came out there and told me I was more welcome to stay there last night. But he said, look, it look better on your head. You just go ahead and go somewhere for the night, let her cool down. Because Officer David would tell you, man, there wasn't shit going on. He said, she's a little hot-headed, and I was a little hot-headed. But he said, I was more calm than any damn thing. And he told her, he gonna come back in the morning time. Well, that bitch done locking the damn doors and everything. So I think she's trying to get me to break in the fucking house. So I'm like, whatever. Dad brings me down here, and all she wants to talk about, oh, bitch, I'm getting TPO on it. And that's what fucking triggered me just to go,
You don't have a key to the house?
Bitch, though, huh?
You don't have a key to the house?
Nah, she took all my shit, man.
Okay.
And the police told her last night, don't touch this man's stuff. Don't fucking touch it. Don't burn it. Don't get rid of it. Don't move it. That's it. And this morning she gonna talk about, I'm getting TPO on you. They come back to the house. Nah, bitch, I'm trying to get my ass to the goddamn house. You stop fucking playing games. Let me go home. That's what I try to tell the lady. And she don't want me to go home.
Okay, they're trying to unload. Let's step. They're trying to unload some stuff, so let's just say let's step out of the way.
What's wrong?
I'll tell you in a moment.
What I did,
3633 Coney. 1 male, 1095. Got a OLN out of Georgia when ready.
She's going to explain to you what your charges are.
056 408 520. 056 408 520.
Officers separate both parties and gather statements to understand what led to the confrontation. Situations like this highlight how unresolved conflicts can escalate in public settings.
Do me like this. I never done shit, man. What did I do, dude?
Here, I got these on, so. Hey, just hold on.
Man, come on, man. Don't do me like this, man.
Go this way.
Man, this is what am I doing? She just brought me, man. Like, come on.
Simple.
What am I getting locked up for?
They're gonna explain it here in just a minute. Let's just get out of here real quick, all right? Just come on, walk for me.
You have anything sharp and pointy on your deed?
No, sir.
Nothing that's supposed to have a ticket?
Huh?
Nothing that's supposed to ticket?
No, sir.
We're gonna go to the passenger side over here, okay? When we get there, we're gonna pat you down and then explain everything to you, all right?
You can't tell me now what's wrong?
Oh, we're gonna do it right over here, okay? All right, just wait right here. All right, separate your feet for me.
Sir?
You ain't got nothing on you, right?
No, sir.
No, you ain't supposed to have. I ain't gonna find anything.
No, you're good.
Okay. I did.
Man. Yo, like, what did I do, sir?
Oh, she's gonna talk to you here in just a second, all right? Just hold
I
on.
didn't even touch her or nothing.
Just
I just go home to sleep,
just hold on, man. Just hold
I
on.
just got in a car accident, man. I got a fractured neck and everything, man. Y'all gonna lock me up, man?
All right.
I haven't done anything.
Yeah. I got it. It's right down here.
Can I hit my vape?
Yeah, hold on 1 second, all right? Separate your feet for me.
My boss, she said she'd be running. I'm just so what's going on, man?
Just wait a second, buddy.
It's alright, man. She noticed I can't go home and sleep, man. I haven't done that girl nothing. I haven't said nothing
Here,
to
hold
her,
this.
man.
Here you go. There you go.
Hold it, man.
Let go. Let go.
Okay, dear. What you're going to jail for is for disorderly conduct,
What's that?
criminal
man?
trespass,
Hold on, just listen.
because you broke that door back there.
No, my
simple
boss is
assault.
already broken. My boss didn't even tell you that. It was already broken. The door, I didn't break the door. The door was already broken. I just walked through it and the thing came off the hinges. All that happened. I didn't break it. Ask my boss, please.
Well,
Please.
according to the people in there, they
No,
said
that's-
that you pushed back that door.
I didn't push it like I swear to God I didn't. Ask my boss, please. Miss Melanie's the manager. Can I at least talk to him real quick? I didn't break that door, lady.
No. Okay. I'll get some pictures of it.
All right, come here. We're gonna hop on in here real quick.
Wait, one more time.
You open it up for me.
Sir.
All right, let me take it.
Breathe it on. Okay.
All right, go ahead and hop on in. Go in butt first for me. You got them long legs, so it ain't gonna be comfortable, man. So, do you want your seatbelt on while you're riding to the jail or no? Do you want your seatbelt on? Because if you don't, well, I'm saying if you don't, you can just slide straight back.
I can't slide my neck. Just slide me for me. Alright. Can you grab me, sir? Jen?
Hey, come on.
Yes, sir. Pull me, pull me, pull me. Pull me.
Alright, now just put your feet crisscross like that. There you go, just like that, alright?
Sir.
Watch them toes right there.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so because you're like this, we're not gonna put your seatbelt on, alright?
Sir.
Okay.
Criminal trespass.
Damn it. I don't remember all what she said, to be honest with you.
Oh, once I get there.
Yeah. I guess it's gonna depend upon how much that door.
Yeah.
Thanks, JB. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right.
Thanks for watching this Bodycam POV footage. These incidents show the importance of calm communication and lawful resolution. Our goal is to share real encounters for awareness and education. Stay safe and take care.